Hello everyone and welcome to our 2025 deep dive on Base 44, the AI-powered no-code platform acquired by Wix. Today you will learn how to go from idea to full app in minutes with no coding required. First of all, I just want you to go to base44.com. Now, what is Base44? Base44 is going to let you describe an app that you want to create in plain language, and it's going to generate the front end, the back end, the database, authentication, and hosting, all built in with no external services needed. It is designed for fast MVPs and micro apps at 20 to 200 months or a free tier to get started. Here you can see the pricing, by the way, if you want to see how it is. I'm just gonna recommend that you start with the free tier and see where you can get. Okay, here you're gonna get like a number of credits in terms of messages and integrations, and that's gonna be good enough to try your first or maybe even two apps and see if it's worth it for you. And then I'm gonna recommend that you try either the pro plan or the builder plan. Okay, the starter plan is not worth it in my opinion. It's very limited. So yeah, guys, let's click on start building. Now just gonna be prompt to log in with your Google account, which I'm gonna do. And it's actually pretty simple how it works, guys. You're just gonna have to talk to the AI and it's gonna build you the app, okay? Remember that you can go to your previous apps by clicking on this app section, and also you can try to integrate with different platforms such as Zapier, Google Places, HubSpot, and so on, so on. This is actually very important if you wanna create an integrated app, okay, guys? Also, if you need like a lot of details, I recommend that you try the docs and support section and you click on documentation, okay? That's gonna be comprehensive documentation on how to use this. But yeah, we're actually gonna build a task scheduler app, okay? Which is a very common example. So what I want you to do is I just want you to write in here your desired prompt. Let's be kind of, specific, but also let's give the AI some room to create. Let's say create a family task scheduler app with user login, task assignment, weekly calendar view, and ability to add and complete tasks. If you need some ideas, you can just click on these buttons here, and here you can see like different ideas for different app categories. Now, something that I love here is that you can, for example, upload files. If you click on this plus icon, you can upload like images, PDFs, and so on and so on. And my most favorite feature is that you can add style instructions, okay? Not here because I already added the prompt, but if you don't add the prompt, you can add some style instructions in here, okay? You have different ones such as new brutalism, neomorphism, glassmorphism, and so on, which are actually beautiful, and you might want to try this. After you click on create, it's going to take some minutes, okay, and it's going to give you basically all of this breakdown on what it's trying to do, right, which is amazing. You're basically seeing step by step build log, all right, guys? On the right panel, you can also see what it's doing specifically right now. Here it says currently settings, sidebar, navigation menu, items now. Okay, so just be patient and wait a couple minutes until it finishes. Something that I quite like here is the discuss mode, which is this one here. In this chat mode or discuss mode, you're going to chat with the AI about database structure or logic before committing changes. This is super handy for making sure the AI got it right, okay, before you commit to changes. This all is going to cost you 0.3 credits per request in comparison to the more credits that you're going to have to pay to try actual changes, to commit to them. So you can just chat with the AI before committing to them. Now it's ready, guys, and it's looking beautiful. You can interact with the preview. You can, for example, click on the different, family members. As you can see here, you can even add new family members and so on, so on. We can just go back to the dashboard and we can add tasks, okay, which is what we created for this for, okay? We can click on the add new task button and we can fill in the details, and that's going to create a task for us, okay? So this is a matter of testing if the app is working as we expect. Now, something that I love is the visual editor, okay? Now, let's say that I don't like this emoji in here. What we can do is we can click on this visual edit button and I can just click in here, right? And from here, you can change the font, the size, the interspacing, the color, and so on and so on. Actually, you cannot change the actual content. It says good evening and this emoji here. You can change this through the chat, okay? So this is another feature, guys, that you can interact with the with the chat, with the AI, using this chat. Okay, so let's say remove the emoji in the good evening header. Okay, let's see how it does. Well, it's actually taking longer than expected, but I'm sure that it's gonna do a good job. Just wait until it stops thinking. And then yeah, you can basically edit a lot of stuff. Okay, using the AI and using different credits. All right, so just be patient and let it finish it for you. Okay. Now, when satisfied, you can just click on share. Okay, and that's basically gonna create a private link which you can share with different people, and you can even send invitations to your team members. If you, however, click on publish, the website or the app is going to go public. Base 44 is going to auto host it. There's no manual deployment needed, okay, guys? So this is just perfect for entrepreneurs, educators, and internal teams. What are the pros, in my opinion, is that you have rapid prototyping, idea to leave app in just a matter of minutes. Okay, you have prompt driven without any code needed. You have a built-in database, authentication, hosting, and integrations. One platform and one dashboard. Now, the cons, in my opinion, is that it is very limited to simple and micro apps. Okay, complex multi-step workflows or advanced custom sign-ups form are not yet supported. And if you try, the AI is not going to listen to you, and it's going to try to do something, but it's not going to be able to. And then also keep in mind that you might have certain privacy issues. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.